The 21-year-old version of old Reddit may soon become the next casualty of Reddit's war against AI scraping. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The company is warning users that it plans to make some unspecified changes to the platform. In a blog post, the company said that changes are necessary in order to protect our platform, business, and users from abusive scraping and spamming. It didn't indicate exactly what changes it has planned, although it says it'll work on migrating critical bots and moderator workflows to our modern stack. The company's already hinted at the possibility old Reddit could go away. In a comment on the post from Boat Botany last month, the Reddit admin wrote that we can't promise it will be around forever. Reddit spokesperson said that the company is exploring different options for old Reddit. Reddit has taken some aggressive measures to fight AI scraping and unauthorized use of its data. In 2023, the company began charging for access to its API, and that change effectively killed third-party Reddit clients, which prompted a site-wide protest. Now Reddit says it'll begin to phase out its API entirely. The company will continue supporting limited public API access, but will gradually restrict new requests and require third-party apps to transition to and operate on Reddit's developer platform. The company's already been offering incentives, including a $1 million app migration program to get developers to make the switch. The company is also overhauling its moderation infrastructure. Reddit is expanding tests of its LLM-based moderation system Rules Hub, which allows subreddit moderators to control how rules are enforced. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.